That's about how it actually looks right now. The camera's trying to correct it to make it to be able to see as easy as possible, but that's about what it looks like right now. Here in North Lincoln, Nebraska. No rain right now. Haven't been hit by rain yet, but this right here is a severe thunderstorm. That's my dog. So yeah, it's pretty dark out. There hasn't been any lightning in the past like 45 seconds, but there was some pretty big lightning strikes just a couple minutes ago. I just got finished mowing, so pretty much perfect timing for that. But there's people out walking and everything, so just hoping they don't get hit by, whoa, some lightning over there. That's a car. There's thunder. Make it a little wider. There we go. I just got a text from a friend asking if a tornado will happen tonight. I'm hoping not, but I guess that's a possibility since it's a severe thunderstorm. But I'm going to leave it at that tonight. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to Toro and Lincoln, press thumbs up, ring the notification bell icon, and we will see you guys in the next one.